I just wanna get your attention. I really wanna be all up in your head. Yeah. Cause what I got you gon' wanna get to. Yeah. But girl, that's only if you ain't scared. And I won't knock, won't ring no bell. You just want that bottom open. Hey. I'll get you hot. I know you want so well. And when I walk you all around, is it you say daddy's home, home for me. And I know you've been waiting for this loving all day. You know your daddy's home and time to last. Yeah, you ain't got to give my love away. So now you say hey, 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 daddy, hey, hey. So what you say hey, 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 daddy. I know.
Frost, they say no rest for the wicked. These girls keeping me busy. Oh, listen, on the first day, I'm a book her upstate. Girl, I say she love it, then I like a cupcake. She said don't leave, me I beg you just stay. Give me one more night with you till the sun rays again. Sorry baby, me know you're frustrated, but another girl I call me for your pin up gate. Slide the beam in a garage without brakes. Press gas until she explode like a volcano. And the car can't stay one place for too long. Like a nomad can settle down with one. Shantae say she had a rough day. Mommy feeling hard on a rough day. Deal with the buff rough like a mommy broke grave. Proper discipline so she never complain again. Melissa want me jump on a flight to Las Vegas cause she want some cane. Boyfriend locking she want upgrade. Been a while since she taxi her from way. They say you not ask when me a come back on the south side.